There are several objections that were raised by Mr. Mashari.
Mucirithania Mabeya augire Abdi niaregire guthii igoti ni gwitetera kumana na mateta maria akoretwo agicukirwo mahati ndari na githomo kia degree kanya karia karari kega gake ga gwitetera na kuiguithia igoti. Ikinya riri ari kurumirira watho uria uheanitwo ni gatiba ya bururi uyu hari makinya maria mundu agirirwo gukorwo atacukitie niguo kuhuranira giturwa kia ugavana. Umwe wamo ali mundu gukorwo ari na certificate ya degree.
The court was not considering a question of validity of an election, but it was a constitutional petition as to whether an aspirant was eligible to run for position of member of National Assembly. In the present case, the petition seeks to question the validity of the election of the first respondent under Section 75 of the Elections Act.
Oho mucirithania Mabeya ni ekirire gaja uhoteke kuuria Ngavana Abdi agiegwatire degree ya masters kuma University ya Kampala kwa ihinda ria mieri 6 tu.
He also swore that the first respondent did not appear in the list of graduates for the graduation of 1st of March 2012 for Kampala University.
Wigiriki wa maratathi maria mahuthikaga hindi ya githurano onaguo gikirirwo gaja thutha wa maingi mamo kwaga ruri rwa ABC na magi gukorwo mari photocopy mahitia maria acokeririe kamiti ya ithurano mihaka bururi-ini IBC.
The election of Wajir County for the governor's seat was not conducted in accordance with the constitution and the law. The totality of the irregularities proved affected the results of the election. It follows, therefore, that the first respondent was not validly elected as the governor of Wajir County.
Thegia gukorwo akiurwo ni giturwa giake, Governor Abdi no egukorwo akiria ciringi milioni 2 kumana na garama ya cira ucio na uria uratwaritwo igoti-ini ni governor wa mbere wa kaunti ya Wajir, Mohammed Abdi.